How to use ChatGPT to get started with warning signs of psoriatic arthritis. Psoriatic arthritis is a type of arthritis that affects some people with psoriasis, a skin condition characterized by red, scaly patches on the skin. Here are some warning signs of psoriatic arthritis that you should look out for. 1. Joint pain and stiffness. Psoriatic arthritis can cause joint pain and stiffness, especially in the joints of the hands, feet, and spine. The pain may be worse in the morning or after periods of inactivity. 2. Swelling and warmth. Inflammation in the joints can cause swelling and warmth in the affected area. 3. Fatigue. Psoriatic arthritis can cause fatigue, which can make it difficult to complete daily tasks. 4. Nail changes. Some people with psoriatic arthritis may experience changes in their nails, such as pitting, ridges, or separation from the nail bed. 5. Eye problems. Psoriatic arthritis can cause eye problems, such as redness, pain, and vision changes. 6. Skin changes. Some people with psoriatic arthritis may experience changes in their skin, such as new patches of psoriasis or worsened psoriasis. If you are experiencing any of these warning signs, it's important to see a healthcare professional, such as a rheumatologist, who can diagnose and treat psoriatic arthritis. Early diagnosis and treatment can help prevent further joint damage and improve your quality of life. Here are some reputable sources where you can find information on psoriatic arthritis. Arthritis Foundation. The Arthritis Foundation is a non-profit organization that provides information, resources, and support for people with arthritis. They have a dedicated section on their website for psoriatic arthritis, which includes information on symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and management. National Psoriasis Foundation. The National Psoriasis Foundation is a non-profit organization that provides information, resources, and support for people with psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis. Their website has a dedicated section on psoriatic arthritis, which includes information on symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and lifestyle management. American College of Rheumatology. The American College of Rheumatology is a professional organization for rheumatologists, who are specialists in the diagnosis and treatment of arthritis and other rheumatic diseases. Their website has a patient education section that includes information on psoriatic arthritis. Mayo Clinic. Mayo Clinic is a non-profit medical organization that provides information and resources on a wide range of health conditions, including psoriatic arthritis. Their website includes information on symptoms, causes, diagnosis, treatment, and self-care. Medline Plus. Medline Plus is a website maintained by the U.S. National Library of Medicine that provides information on health conditions, drugs, and supplements. Their website includes a dedicated section on psoriatic arthritis, which includes information on symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and management. When researching psoriatic arthritis, it's important to ensure that the sources you are using are reputable and based on current scientific evidence. These sources provide reliable information and can help you better understand psoriatic arthritis and manage your symptoms.